So my name's Gautam, I'm 19 and I most recently completed an ATCL in drum kit performance. A lot of the tracks in the old syllabus were really compositionally really strong, and I think they were just really fun to play. And I think that's what made it so much fun to do a Trinity grade, was that the pieces that you played were really fun to play and they sounded really good. And also, especially at the later grades, there was a lot of space for improvisation. I think they guided you well, and it prepares you well for playing professionally and reading charts as such, as opposed to being given written out music all the time. I think a skill that I didn't expect to gain from the qualification was the way I managed my time again. And just being able to, prioritize different things. So sometimes that meant putting my drums first, sometimes that meant putting my A-levels first. The Trinity qualification, I'd say definitely, as I applied to do things abroad for my gap year, having that level 4 to put down, I think definitely, with some context in comparison with the A-levels and the amount of work it is, definitely does open some doors.